Holy God. Wow.
All right, last night was crazy. Our clients Robert and Jody came and picked up their Transit all-wheel drive build. What a reaction. I don't think they could be more pumped. Super hectic week, always is when we're pushing a build out the door. We couldn't be more pumped. Super proud of the boys. They did an incredible job on this build. The finishing details and the mechanical were insane. Robert and Jody loved it. Jody's gonna be starting a blog. We'll share that with you guys as soon as she starts it up. After 3 years of hard work, a lot of things are finally taking shape. So we've got a build lineup that's servicing, I think right now, about 14 to 16 builds. Goal number one, we're gonna be shortening up that lineup by hopefully expanding. We're a very tight-knit team here, and that's something we do not wanna lose as we grow. Mitch and I are working on putting systems in place with our guys, getting lots of feedback, making sure things are just absolutely dialed for when we start to scale. It's gonna be an exciting year. Do you guys want to know a bit more about the business side of it, or more about the builds, or is this boring? Okay, just got a message from one of our clients here, the Rio build, and she is wanting a walkthrough, so you guys are coming along. I'll order those boxes right after this. It has been a while since I've been inside a Rio, and I'm flabbergasted. This is incredible. The trim work looks unreal. Just look at this trim work. Oh my God. Talk about a craftsman house. Nice work, Guy and Christian. Always being loud. First thing we recommend is replacing your door. The Skoolie doors, as cool as they look, awful seal, no security. Now you've got a screen, you've got a lock, you've got a hot door, just a beautiful door. You can't beat it. Okay, this is what stole Cole. He's working on the Beluga Truma. Vented, pulls from the exhaust, or sorry, intake, and heat runs, all his plumbing. And the reason we needed him in here was so that we could get this subfloor system down, the raised system. Everything has to be ran inside. So once we cover that up, it makes it a lot harder to be running that stuff. I am currently standing in the bathroom. We're gonna have a vanity right here, shower right here. I'm basically standing in the washer and dryer combo right here. And that's the toilet bowl. What are you rocking on?
I'm trying to get backing in for these bench seats, but like, I gotta make sure that my bench seats are wide enough. No, that's for the table.
So that's not backing for the bench seats.
Yeah.
So right here, where Christian's working in, it's gonna be flip up table, dinette, kind of right across from the kitchen. And then 2 workbench swivel stools that mount on the wall. They can kind of swivel out of the way and not have to be worrying about moving chairs around. If possible, they want to be able to leave it out. So I'm going to do round corners on this thing.
Yeah, definitely.
We'll see that out.
Definitely.
So the idea with this little nook is obviously a nice place to do some work. Probably gonna be the main dinette area. Kitchen's right here. So it keeps you off the couch. Okay, I am now off for a quick run to Fastening. Little low on supplies. Really hate these runs. Not at Fastening yet. I got distracted. Very hard time passing this place up. Can I get a lamb donaire, please? By the way, that was Selena Donaires in Prince Albert. Do not miss it. That didn't even last me from Selena's to Fastening. Wonder if that's coming to our shop. Hey, take that to cool. Take it. Take it. Okay, now that I'm back in the office, I need to wrap up a couple orders and working on our next build, as well as finalizing some renders for the Beluga. Let's actually show you guys the finalized renders. There's still one more tweak that has to be done, but this is pretty much what you're gonna be looking at. We got our kitchen layout, we got our living room, L couch, TV entertainment area. We got our vanity switched around. This is washer dryer combo. There's another look at it. Beautiful bathroom. That is our bedroom. The only thing missing, a couple windows right back there and a shelf up there. Well, that's it.